Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to subscribe for Amazon Kindle Unlimited. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of browser and search for Amazon.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the homepage. Now you want to go to the top left corner and click All. Inside it, go to the section where it says Digital Content and access Kindle e-readers and books present under it. After that, look for this section in the middle which says Kindle Store, and go to the second option which is Kindle Unlimited. When we click on that, we will get taken to this page. Here, you will get a single offer of a free trial for 30 days. Simply, click on the Join Kindle Unlimited button and start your 30-day free trial. You can also subscribe to the standard plan if it is available, but for now, you can only access it by passing through a free trial. So that's basically how you can subscribe for Amazon Kindle Unlimited. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.